apps not showing on Google Play Store fix? Now, if some of the apps that you have are actually not showing up on Google Play Store, it's not that it is missing. It is just that particular app is not available in your region. Now, if I'm in some part of Asia and let's say I'm searching for a banking app of America and I search for a Bank of America app, you can see that I do not have the search result because it is simply not there. Now, sometimes what you can do is to enable those apps. Let's say I'm also searching for Cash App, which is not available in my region. By default, you can see it will not show up Cash App in the search result. But the simple trick for that would be to open up your Chrome and type in Cash App Play Store. So when you type in Cash App Play Store, you'll find the Play Store link of Cash App, and when you tap on it, you'll be able to see that now it will take you to Cash App and Play Store and you can install it. Similarly, if I select, let's say, Bank of America, then I can type on Bank of America Play Store, and then when I do that, you'll find the Bank of America Play Store link. But when I tap on it, sometimes you might be able to install it, but sometimes it will show you that this app is not available in your region. Then that could be the other version to fix it. So hopefully this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.